Welcome to Training for You channel. Short story in English.
It has always been my dream to be my own boss and to open a sportswear shop. Being self-employed would be a challenge, but I could likely rake in the money, as there is a remarkably increasing demand on this kind of outfit nowadays. As you obviously know, the favorable geographical location is a crucial element for the business, so my shop will be located near a gym, sports complex, and a stadium. At first, I would offer a reasonable price for my products and some promotional programs to maintain profitability and seek potential customers. The reason why this business appeals to me is that first, I'm a huge fan of sports, and second, I dread the idea of a 9-to-5 job. I don't want to be stuck behind a desk doing monkey's work every day. Third of all, it would give me a huge opportunity for self-development. To be more specific, running my own business could promote my patience, punctuality, discipline, and responsibility.